Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So in this video, I want to talk about a little bit of self-massage that you can do at home using a simple rolling pin and a couch or recliner or whatever you have available. So one of the things that we know that happens when I have a painful shoulder, the musculature around the shoulder tends to tighten and guard to try and protect the shoulder. So what we want to do is we want to get a little bit of soft tissue work on there. Certainly I can just use my other hand, reach across. What I'm doing is I'm on this big muscle that goes from the base of the neck out to the point of the shoulder. That's the upper trapezius. Below that, the levator scapulae is a muscle that goes from the back kind of bony part of the bottom of the skull down to the top of the shoulder blade. But for so many of my patients, their hands are just not strong enough to get in there deep enough. So what we do is we use the rolling pin, and essentially I create an anchor point. I put the back of the handle of the rolling pin into the cushion of the recliner or the couch. I get the other side of the rolling pin in my hand. If this shoulder is too painful, I can reach across my body and use the other side. I can move the rolling pin or I can move my body. But the idea is that I'm pulling down, getting pressure on the musculature between the base of the neck and the point of the shoulder to try and relax some of the tension that's in there, improve the circulation, desensitize some of the muscle guarding that's happening. Our bodies respond to pain with tension. If I get poked, I tighten, I back away from it. So the massage is an opportunity to increase fluid exchange, to move the waste products out to bring in the nutrients, to mechanically spread the muscle tissue. When I stretch a muscle, it tends to stretch lengthwise, but the massage allows us to target a specific component part of the muscle that might be more sensitive than others. And then of course, it desensitizes the muscle. So when I bump my elbow, the first thing I do is I rub it, because the rubbing sensation desensitizes some of the alarm system associated with the pain. So just one more example, reach over. If I plug the handle in high, I can hit kind of more the top of the upper trap. If I go a little bit lower, I can get more of the rhomboids and the musculature between the shoulder blade and the spine. It's just a really simple, inexpensive way for you to start to affect change for the better of the shoulder while you're at home. I hope this helps. I'll catch you on the next video.